Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a word cloud text portrait in Canva. All right. First up, just go ahead and open up Canva. Now, once you're in here, go ahead over to apps. All right. Make sure that you open up a blank canvas. Go ahead and go to apps and look for text shape. Hit on enter. Now click on this first search result right here. Click on it. Now we're going to hit on open and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, just going to want to type in your words right here if you want to. If you want a more custom words. If not, just go ahead and use the generate button right here. All right, as you can see. Now, once that's done, you're going to want to change the color to white. But if you want to, just go ahead and use different colors right here. If you want to play around with this. All right, now click on the canvas, click on background color, make it to black, close this one, and simply click on add to design. All right, as you can see here, it is now added. If you want to, you can go ahead and copy or duplicate these words right here. If not, just go ahead and delete those, then maximize or make it bigger. All right, then we're going to want to save this one. Download. I'm going to save it on my desktop. Now it's done. What we're going to do next is delete all of these. Now we're going to want to upload our photo. Say, for example, this right here, my photo. Now we're going to click on it. If you have a background remover available right here, just go ahead and use it. If not, there's a way for free. Delete it. Open remove.pg. Drag your photo right here, and the background should be removed in no time. Right? It's done. I'm going to save the image to a desktop again. Save. I'm going to open up Canva. Upload a photo right here, which doesn't have the background. All right. Upload. Say, for example, maybe like this. I'm going to edit the background to black as well. Once done, I'm going to hit on save, download. Let's wait for it. Save. So as you can see, or as you might have noticed, we have downloaded or made two files already. All right. And what we're going to do next is just basically delete these ones right here. So we have a new canvas. All right. So what we're going to do next is just upload both photos. All right. First up, the picture. And the second one right here is the text. All right. As you can see, we have two separate photos. Now what we're going to do next is just go ahead over to apps again. Click on it. Now what we're going to look for is a blend image. Hit enter. Now click on the first search result right here. Click on it and hit on open. I'm going to maximize this one. And as you can see, it needs a bottom layer and a top layer. So the bottom layer right here is this one. All right. Use selected image, click on it. And the top layer, click on the image, which is this one. Use a selected image. All right. Once that's done, go ahead over to blend mode, click on it, and just go click on multiply. As you can see, once you're done with that, just go ahead and hit on add to design. There we have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.